who opens a window when someone else is in their home is helping stop the spread of COVID-19 because it helps blow away coronavirus particles that could be in the air. Everything we're doing is making a difference.